Hey fishing friends. So I've been fishing like 5 times now and haven't caught anything worthy of making a video. I'm gonna head down and make a how to throw a cast net video, and while I'm down at this marina catching bait, I've decided I'm going to throw some pinfish underneath some of these docks and boats and see if some of the snook are moving into the marina. The water's really cooled off a lot, and you know, the snook are migrating up into the creeks, and a lot of times they just go into the marinas and they hang out. The water's warmer in there, and they hang out around the docks and underneath the boats. So we can give that a shot here and see what we can do. Well, I'll tell you what, if I can get a big greenback, I'll drop a big greenback since I can't catch this pinfish. He won't be able to swim very well with that big hook in him, but we'll drop him down there anyway. Oh my God, as soon as it hit the water, there he is. Oh my God. Oh, holy crap. Oh my God, he broke me off.
Really?
There he is. Oh my God, that was ridiculous. There's no way I could have stopped that fish. Holy crap. Ah, no. Oh, come on, man. All right, guys, so it's fishing tip time. Hey, make sure that when you are casting live bait, especially around sailboats and boats in a marina, that you don't get all excited and cast your bait like up on the boat and get hung up like me. Learn from my mistakes. If you leave a live bait hanging from a boat, woo, that's going to be a stinky mess. So there's your fishing tip for today. Oh, there's a hit. There we go. Oh, good fish. Good fish. Big jack.
Oh, jack?
Yeah.
Thought you had snook.
Have you been seeing some? I hooked into a monster about a half hour ago. I couldn't stop him. No, not here. It was over there.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot of snook that hang out up front. They're right underneath there.
I should pay you something.
Massive.
Really?
Oh yeah, they got some breeders under there.
Cool, man.
Yeah, 3.5 footers.
Can I go over there and fish?
I mean, people have there's a guy over there fishing right now.
You can access it? Cool, man.
Yeah. I mean, if they say something to me, you know, whatever.
Yeah.
All right, buddy.
Hey, thanks for the tip, man. Awesome, man. Awesome. Jack baby. Nice. Check out that jack. Hey guys, so the next segment of this video is actually going to be the following day. I went back and man, had problems with the GoPro microphone. I was so disappointed. I caught a couple nice fish, and you're just not going to get the excitement. You're not going to hear the screaming drag, and you're not going to hear me get all excited when I hook into the fish. Just nothing, no sound was recording in my GoPro. Really disappointing, so I'm just going to put it to music. Hey, thanks for watching. Thumbs up are always appreciated. Make sure you subscribe. Let's take a look at these clips. Hey, that's it, guys. Slam that like button. Make sure you subscribe. And remember, life is good. Live it. See ya.